Well, these are the first of the Ridgway Saraband China designs that we're going to show you in the listings we're creating over the next couple of days. These are the soup plates, lovely, great big English rim soup plates. Saraband by Ridgway's, dating from the 1940s and 1950s. This beautiful wide rim turquoise with gilt banding, and then this central, what we think is probably hibiscus, could be interpretation of pear blossom. It's just the central cores remind me as a gardener more of hibiscus than pear blossom. Not entirely certain whether it's pictorially accurate or just descriptively artistic floral central pattern. Let's show you the China marks. There we go. Saraband by Ridgway. Ridgway established 1792 marks. Staffordshire Made in England. As I say, these date from about 1940s, 1950s. Lovely, big, deep, wide rim soup plates with these gently sloping rims. And then this beautiful wide banding of this sort of turquoisey blue. Really pretty plates. Go really well with Johnson Brothers Patek Pistachio, which are on a similar sort of colour and floral motif. They were probably being produced around the same time. Wasn't uncommon for these competing factory brands to look at what the other one was doing and knock up a copy pretty quickly. Don't know which one came first, but I do like these, and the detailing in the transfer design and the colours, just for that little bit of mauvey purple on the white floral with that dark British racing green leaf. Should be that way up ideally if you're displaying these. We've got, I think, 6 or 8 of these going on sale. Big dinner set came through. You may have seen us do a video on our auction buy of this lot. It was absolutely fantastic value for us when we've broken it down and seen exactly what's in it. We've got some fantastic pieces, and as I say, these are examples of that. So follow the link description. There are large amounts of flatware on this being listed over the next couple of days, so do have a search through the website on the search term Saraband, and it should pull up all pieces currently that I've got around to listing. Thanks for watching.